Hello and welcome back to a new ADV Freedom video. Today video is Peninsula Road ride, which is a continuation of my ride that I did in the fall of last year of 2025, trying to chase the fall colors. If you go through the video, you will see beautiful colors. Canada, Ontario is very well known for the fall colors. Voiceover, and I thought the microphone connected to the helmet camera, but I guess it didn't, so not that good on the voiceover video. Portage country in Ontario is actually a couple of official routes, and it also has a website where they actually tell you what is the color of the trees and which stage are with the colors during the fall. So continuing from Southwood Road into the 169 and then up to 118. So starting from 118 Peninsula Road, or formerly known as Highway 632. This was established in the 19th century. Pretty old, like in 1879, and they did it to connect the Port Carling to the village of Rousseau on the north side. So basically, it's a scenic route. The Muskoka resort area, and it's basically splitting two lakes between Lake Joseph and Lake Rousseau, and the road was officially in 1961. It went to the Department of Highways of Ontario. It became essential as a land-based transportation. Once this community started to develop, Port Sandfield. So along this route, there is not many services. You get services in either north side of Highway 141 in Rousseau, which also has a very nice ice cream shop. So basically, when you turn right on 141, there is like a general store, and they have very nice ice cream. And also service on the south side, which is in Highway 118. The road itself is a very nice, smooth, twisty road. The asphalt is very good. The speed limit is 80 kilometers an hour, so it's a very nice for a motorcycle ride, which can be a little bit faster because of not the twists are smooth, and so 11 kilometers long. Very nice during the fall, as you can see in the video. Muskoka area is very well known for its twisty roads and very scenic roads in the cottage country. As mentioned, it came from Southwood Road, 169, you have the Frank Memorial Road, then also in the area you have 118, you also have 117, there is also Gushhog Lake Road. There are other couple of nice roads that you can explore in this area, and I'm talking about paved ones, but there is also, like, if you're more adventurous, there's also a lot of gravel and forest roads in this area. So this region at some point in time was accessible only by water via steamships, so it became really essential for land transportations in this area. Rousseau on the east side is connecting to Lake Joseph through Port Sandfield, and these two lakes are pretty big body of water. The lake is also connected to the Lake Muskoka through a lock system in Port Carling, so it's a pretty important area for let's say transportation in this area. Lake Rousseau is an 18 kilometers long lake. There are like almost 60 islands on this lake. Now the Lake Joseph is one of the largest and most popular lakes in Muskoka region. It has over 50 kilometers of shoreline, and it attracted a lot of wealthy people, and there is a lot of nice cottages around it. Actually, if you research, Lake Joseph is actually called the Billionaires Row because of the wealth concentrated along the 50 kilometer shoreline. Alright, so now I'll just let you enjoy the ride, and I hope I'll see you in the next video.